This is in continuation with the fifth video. Now I discuss some functions in Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 2t square plus 3t plus 4. Our object function is some polynomial in t, that is 2t square plus 3t plus 4. Operating L on both sides, L of f of t is equal to L of 2t square plus 3t plus 4. By linearity property, L on 2t square plus L on 3t plus L on 4. Since 2 is number, 2 into L of t square plus 3 into L of t plus 3 into L of 4. So 2 into Laplace transform of t square. As we know, Laplace transform of t raised to n is n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. So n is 2, so 2 factorial divided by s raised to 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 3 times Laplace transform of t. N is 1 factorial divided by s raised to 1 plus 1. Plus Laplace transform of 4 can be 4 times Laplace transform of 1. So 4 into Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So 2 factorial into 2 is 4, 4 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 4 by s. So which is f of s, that is image function. So input function is 2t square plus 3t plus 4. So this polynomial, second degree polynomial in Laplace transform is 4 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 4 by s. Next function, I take t root t. Operating L on t root t, L on t root t is t raised to 3 by 2, and by the definition of Laplace transform of t raised to n is gamma of n plus 1, so 3 by 2 plus 1, gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 3 by 2 plus 1. So gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1, as we know, gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So by that property we are able to write 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2, again gamma of 3 by 2 as 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2 by previous mathematics, divided by s raised to 5 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So 3 by 2, 1 by 2, gamma half is root pi. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So 3 divided by 4 into root pi divided by s raised to 5 by 2. Now some discontinuous function. Discontinuous functions can also be expressed in Laplace transform. If f of t is 1, 0 less than t less than 2, t, less 2 less than t less than 4, t square, t greater than 4. In this, the object function or input function is defined by 3 functions: f of t equal to 1, f of t equal to t, f of t equal to t square. F of t equal to 1 is defined for this interval, 0 to 2 interval, and f of t equal to t is defined for 2 to 4 interval, and f of t equal to t square is defined for 4 to infinity. T greater than 4 means 4 to infinity, and we find L of f of t. By the definition of Laplace transform, L of f of t is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform, and Laplace transform between 0 to infinity can be integration of e raised to minus st f of t dt over 0 to t, as we have discontinuous function, then integral between 2 to 4, then integral between 4 to infinity. In 0 to 2, f of t is plus 1, and in 2 to 4, f of t is t, and in 4 to infinity, f of t is t square. So integrating between the given limits, first integral between 0 to 2, second integral between 2 to 4, third integral between 4 to infinity. First integral, integration of e raised to minus st is e raised to minus st divided by minus s, simple integration, and over 0 to 2. And second integral, e raised to minus st into t dt. So here we have the integration by parts rule. So we take this as first function and this as second function. By the rule, first function into integration of second function. Second function is this. So integration of this is e raised to minus st divided by minus s. Minus, by the rule, minus sign. Differentiation of t. Differentiation of t is 1 here, and integration of this with respect to dt is e raised to minus st divided by minus s. Is 1 minus s is already here, so minus s into minus s whole square over 2 to 4 plus integration of integration of e raised to minus st into t square into dt between 4 to infinity. Again, by the rule of integration by parts, we take this as first function and this as second function. First function into integration of second function minus differentiation of t square. Difference of this is 2t, and next integration of this e raised to minus st by minus s with respect to dt is this, plus differentiation of 2t. This is the rule. Differentiation of 2t. First, difference of t square is 2t and difference of 2t is 2, plus minus is the rule. So difference of 2t is 2, integration of this is this, e raised to minus st divided by minus s whole square is already here, minus s whole square into minus s is minus s whole cube. So substituting for upper and lower limits. Next is very simple simple substitution and calculation. Minus 1 by s, 0 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to infinity, right? And simplifying, we get this. You can go through all the substitutions, upper limit and lower limit, upper limit minus 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 lower limit. Simplifying, we have this. Next, Laplace transform of root t into e raised to t. So this can be done by the property Laplace transform of e raised to at into f of t is equal to f of s minus a. So first, Laplace transform of root t. Once we know this, we can easily write Laplace of root t into e raised to t. So Laplace of root t is equal to Laplace of t raised to n definition. By the Laplace of t raised to n definition, gamma of n plus 1. So n is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. N is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 value is root pi divided by s raised to 3 by 2. So Laplace of root t into e raised to t is equal to root pi divided by 2 into bracket s minus 1 whole raised to 3 by 2. And add 26 to the list of results. We discussed up to 25, and we also discussed the property Laplace transform of t raised to n into f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power n, nth derivative of f of s.